Hello and welcome to our Reaction Showcase project presentation. We are KHAT Development presenting the Ottawa Grassroots app, a mobile solution for the Ottawa Grassroots Festival. Here's our official Reaction Showcase poster. You can visit the official Reaction Showcase webpage to view it further. Before we start, let's meet the team. I'm Alex Carmichael, the project lead.
I'm Tyler Bristow, the design lead.
I'm Kit Roon, the dev lead.
Hi, I'm Helen Lee. I'm UX/UI designer.
I'm Hisham Al-Mulli, full stack developer.
Hello, I'm Kenji Do, a front-end developer.
As for the agenda today, we'll be introducing our project process, our deliverables within the project, the handoff package, and a summary of its contents. And last suggestions on where the project could be improved and upgraded in the future. Now, I'll pass it off to Tyler.
Thank you, Alex. Throughout designing, we followed the UX design process of user research, analysis, design, prototype, user testing, and then back to design. Following midterm, we completed user testing and revised our designs based on the results. The development team has since implemented these design changes into the final product. Now, KHAT will summarize the development process.
Thank you, Tyler. In order for the development process to go on smoothly, we followed the steps of research, proof of concept, code, testing, and revision. Following midterm, we have completed tech research and proof of concept. We then moved into phase 1 of development and have since completed multiple phases of coding and testing. Next, Tyler will walk you through the final designs.
Thank you, KHAT. So starting with our mobile application design, using our research, we focused on solving issues within our target audience. We designed an app that not only welcomed Ottawa Grassroots fans, but new visitors as well. Using minimalistic design, alluring styling, and colors, we made an app that's suitable for everyone. When designing the admin dashboard, it was crucial that it was intuitive, dynamic, secure, and responsive. It was essential for the event organizers to have an enjoyable experience when managing the content shown in the app, and creating events, adding artists, managing volunteers, and their tasks. Next, KHAT will walk you through the development deliverables.
Thank you, Tyler. Now onto the technical deliverables. When developing the Ottawa Grassroots mobile app, it was important to include basic features like multi-platform capabilities and user authentication. It was also important to add features like ticket buying, sharing capabilities, and search functionalities as part of the client's brief. To expand the application's functionalities, we also included embedded media, volunteer accounts and task management, an OGF newsfeed, as well as a pool features. Next up, Alex will be going through the hands-off package.
Thank you, KHAT. Included in the handoff package will be documentation, deployment instructions, any raw files, source code for both the mobile application as well as the admin dashboard, and any essential accounts for connected services. The next steps, as suggested by our team, would be to include a merchandise store, an in-app chat feature, a maps element, and finally, a playlist section. And now for what we've learned. As a group, we've all learned the importance of teamwork and communication, especially for a project of this size. For me, as a project lead, I learned a great deal in terms of project management, from assigning tasks to meeting deadlines and maintaining client relations.
Speaking for the designers, we learned how to better communicate and convey our visions to a client.
On behalf of the developers, we also learned how to develop an application in a team environment through peer programming.
Thanks for watching.